Hello Sharon, I'm going to show you how I'm using the regular alpha ruler 6x12, and the material I'm going to use is just paper because currently I have no idea which fabric shall I use, and I don't like just waste the fabric. So but I believe that on the paper you will also see very clearly what I'm going to do. So let's cut 2.5, two pieces of 2.5. Okay, and that's supposed to be our background. That's supposed to be our color fabric, not the background. Okay, so first cut, which should be the background. Yeah, we should achieve the half hex. First cut should allow us to have first part of the hex. So now what to do? I'm going to use our 60-degree line on our alpha ruler and just cut do the first cut. Okay, here we are. It's crucial what Gudrun said during the video, that the bottom part of the triangle, you see here on the mat we have a 60-degree triangle. The bottom part of the 60-degree triangle should have 5.5 inches. So what I'm going to do is just line my fabric with my cutting mat and find a point where I'm going to have 5.5 inch. So this is that point. So right now I'm looking for the cut which should allow me to achieve the point, to match the point and 60-degree line. So I'm matching those points, and this is my second cut. Ta-da! Then the same way I'm going to do the other hand. Match the starting point with my cutting mat and find the point where I will do the second cut. Okay. So taking out things. Sorry. Okay, that's the point. No, I will not find it this way. It's so difficult to do this on just regular phone. Okay, I got it. So now does not work. Crap. Okay, maybe this time it will work. Here is the point. The line and 5.5 inches here. So let me do the second cut. And now you need to repeat that. So at that moment of time, we have the background, which is a filler of our hexes. Yeah, that is it. Now let's go to the color fabric. Do the first cut using the 60-degree line here on a regular ruler. First cut, and now follow this exactly the same. It was not a perfect cut. Let's do this one more time. Okay, with fabric it will be easier. So right now we need to find the distance between that and that line, which is 2.5 inches. So I'm going to use one more time. Well, right now I'm going to rotate my ruler. Yeah. Okay. And just to make sure that I have more matching points than only one line, I'm going to use also the 60-degree line here and match it with my fabric. Okay, I got it. You see? Here, this is the line which is showing 2.5 inch. Here is a cutting line. Done. Okay. So now repeat. Okay, matching the points, and now repeat, and so on. So let me show you. Here is our background, and here are our colorful pieces of fabric. Now, yes, well, I believe that's an easy part. You need to put 2 rectangles cut it from 2.5 inches strip, which should be easy. Now, when it comes to the fillers, the rows, those triangles, which are the fillers of the rows, yes. Gudrun said for the width of the strip should be 4.5, but I was well, I do not believe my cutting math and my sewing math, so I decided that I will go for the 5 and 1/4 inch. So that's what she's recommending for stripology. And while I was following this, I just cut. Let me take one more piece. I just took 5 and 1/4. Okay, that is my line. That is my strip for the fillers. And one more time, what I did. Okay, so here is the straight part. Now, how I did it? Okay, I took the first cut line with 60-degree, but left here approximately, you know, an eyeball, 1/2 inch, and that is my first triangle. Then rotate. Here took 1/2 inch, 1/4 will be for a seam allowance. Of course, it would be good to align here the, okay, perfect. So 1/2 inch cut. And just follow the same rule. Okay, 60-degree line, an eyeball, yeah, to find approximately 1/2 inch. And one more time, aligned, find 1/2 inch here just to make sure that we have seam allowance. Cut. And here the very good idea is to have the strip, two strips, put it together, left side, left side, left side. So once you will cut, one cut will give you two mirrored triangles. So exactly as in the show, which Gudrun is saying. Okay, Sharon, thank you very much. I hope that this tutorial helped you, and with this regular one ruler you will be able to sew your and cut and sew your strip to shore quilt. Let me know if everything is clear. It's really the way I did my strip to shore. I'm rather a very precise person, and I like to have point on point, and I'm really happy with the results I had. So thank you very much, and if I did some language mistakes, apologize. English is not my mother language. I started to learn it once I was 20, maybe 22, so apologize, and hope that I could help you. Bye bye.